When the Royal Holloway University of London wanted to expand the available area in its listed boiler house building, used as a performance space for the drama department, it called in the expertise of DP Fuel Tank Services, DP FTS, to remove 2 giant fuel tanks. Until 1968, the 19th century building near Egham in Surrey was literally a boiler house, providing heat and power for the entire college. Then the boilers and generators were taken out, and the resulting open space turned into a performance facility. The 2 120,000 litre fuel tanks that fed the boilers and generators were left in place until 2013, when DPFTS began the process of turning the space into a dance studio. As the room operated as a containment bund for the tanks, the first thing was to pump out more than 20 centimetres of contaminated water that had accumulated across the whole floor. The next step was to remove about 34,000 litres of water and 6,450 litres of contaminated gas oil from the tanks, and tanker it away for proper disposal. The only access to the room was a small hatch partway up the wall, so the second task was to knock through a doorway large enough to bring equipment in and take the metal of the tank out. Although they had recently contained gas oil, the tanks had been originally built to hold heavy oil, so they were constructed from 9mm thick steel, which had to be hot cut into sections that could be easily handled. As well as 2 people in full PPE and breathing apparatus carrying out the cutting, because of the size of the tanks and the confinement of the room, the operation required the construction of scaffolding platforms and 2 people solely devoted to fire watching. 2 powerful air inductors were also used to help with smoke removal. Finally, 280 metres of associated pipework had to be taken out and sent for recycling. The room was then jet washed clean and all the water removed.